Hey, good evening, good afternoon. Uh, this is me, snupadhyay, and we are looking at the weekly crypto market analysis and what is happening in the market. So I hope you're doing good. And before starting anything, just a quick reminder and a disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and this is just for. This is not a financial advice. So do your own due diligence and your own research. Let's move on. So you basically can see today's cryptocurrency market cap, and you see Bitcoin is pumping hard, is up 22% in last 7 days. Ethereum is up 14% in last 7 days. BNB is up 6% last 7 days. XRP 13%. So these are the coin. Let's see. Okay, Pepe is pumping really hard, 87% in last 7 days and 28% in last 24 hours. Mina is pumping. Chainlink is doing really great. Uh, Hope you are enjoying the gains. Solana is doing really good, 38.29% in last 7 days. You can see a lot of altcoins are pumping, and let's check out the last 24 hours. Pepe, Rocket Pool, Chainlink, the Graph, Solana, Aptos. These are the tokens that are pumping. So market is looking good. The fear and greed index is 71, which is greed, and CyberConnect, Pepe, and Bitcoin is trending on CoinMarketCap. So we have a total market cap of $1.27 trillion, which is up 1.7%, and volume is down. Bitcoin dominance is 53.4%. Ethereum dominance is 17%. So that's about the market. Let's check out the bubbles. Oh my god, look at Hex. Hex is doing crazy things. And Hex, Mina, Pepe, these are the, you know, I hope you are enjoying your gains. You are not bullish in Hex because of its, so-called stories. You can check out the daily. So today Hex is again FTT, Pepe, RLP, Rocket Pool, PLS, and so these are the tokens that are pumping today. And let's move on to some of the major stories that we have. News story. So Ethereum set for huge rally as whale activities hits 6-month high. So you can see Ethereum is about to pump. It has not yet pumped. Not that much again in comparison with the Bitcoin. So as bullish sentiment returned to the wider cryptocurrency market, so did the fear of missing out, FOMO, for different sectors, particularly Ethereum, which has recorded the highest amount of whale transaction in the last 6 months. So you see, the transaction that happened in Ethereum has. I'm sorry, I'm shooting at midnight, so yawning. So you can see the whale activity hits all-time high in last 6 months in Ethereum, and Ethereum exchange supply hits lowest level since opening week of trading, $100,000 plus transaction surge. So you see, as per this data, you can see there's a lot of activity happening in Ethereum, and hopefully it will pump really hard. All right, let's move on. The second story we have is from Bitcoin systemy. And by the way, I just want to give credit to the news outlets and these platforms from where we are taking the original stories. We do also do our own research from different social media, and we have a research team. But I do appreciate and just wanted to give a shout out to these platforms. So just in Blackrock spot ETF relisted on DTCC, Bitcoin is moving. So BlackRock ETF, BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF is listed. Oh, I'm sorry, on DTCC, and that's why Bitcoin is doing crazy moves in last I guess 48 hours. So after BlackRock's Bitcoin spot ETF was listed on the TCC list with the code IBTC, yesterday it was thought that it was only a matter of time before BTC spot ETF would receive approval from the SEC. However, the listing was removed today evening. So it was removed. Hmm. So BTC was pumping hard, but it just dropped to $33,200 because the ETF got unlisted from this DTCC, and now again it is listed. So yeah, let's hope for the best, and hopefully SEC will approve this spot Bitcoin ETF very soon. Let's see. So another story is coming up from cryptopolitan.com. It says police finally apprehend 50,000 Bitcoin Silk Road thief. If you guys remember Silk Road, one of the scam, black market, I guess. Not sure the story behind it. There are a lot of speculations about its founder, and I've read a lot about him, but can't make any opinion because nowadays you can't. It's very difficult to make an opinion without having real proof or without doing proper research. So, not the right person to comment on him. But yeah, I'm sorry. Let's check. Police finally apprehend 50. Okay, so here's TLDR. In the early days after the introduction of Bitcoin by Satoshi Nakamoto, Silk Road took the crypto spotlight that brought a rise in these illegal activities. So it was famous for all kind of illegal stuff. So Ross Ulberg, I have read a lot about him. He's now serving in like lifetime prison imprisonment. So there are a lot of he was a very smart guy. That's all I can say. So let's try to understand what it says. So Silk Road facilitated anonymous and illegal transactions from all over the globe, including counterfeited documents and drug sales. Ross Ulbricht serves as Silk Road founder while investigating reports points to James Zong as the criminal mastermind behind the heist. Zong was convicted and is now serving a 1 year sentence at the Alabama Montgomery Federal Prison Camp, and the US authority have decided to sell the assets. Okay, Bitcoin and the Silk Road theft. So I never heard of this name, James Zong. This story says that he is the mastermind and is now arrested. I'm sorry. Let's move on to the next news. So Grayscale gets court approval to proceed with Bitcoin spot ETF application. Okay. So according to the breaking information in the Grayscale case, the court allowed the company to proceed with its Bitcoin spot ETF application and send the application back to SEC. So don't get confused. There are two companies. One of the one of the biggest one. These are the biggest one: Grayscale and Blackrock. So everyone is well aware about the Blackrock, but Grayscale is also one of the applicant for this Bitcoin spot ETF. So the court approved. So the court provided an instruction to the SEC on how to proceed with Grayscale Bitcoin ETF application. GBTC plans to list its shares on NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, ARCA under the symbol GBTC, and to issue shares on a rolling basis upon approval of Form S3 and separate 19B4 filing from NYSE ARCA. Alright, so hopefully it will also get listed. Let's move on. Now I can understand, guys, if you want me to go through each and every detail, or if you want me to touch any specific topic, you can just DM me or hit me up on social media or wherever you want, and I can create a dedicated video for a particular topic. So but right now we are just going through some of the major stories, so that's why I'm moving a little fast. But let me know if you want any in-depth analysis. We do have a research team. I myself do a lot of research, so if you want me to cover something in a very detailed fashion, I can do that. But do let me know. So the next one is SEC dropped charges against Ripple executive. So this must be the old news. I guess you must have heard of it. So Ripple's Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson no longer face charges. However, Ripple and SEC must settle on remedies for institutional XRP sale violation. So they are now released from SEC. This is pretty much it. So the US SEC agreed to drop charges against the main founders and CEO. So, but they do have to clear all those charges for public sale of XRP. I guess back in 2017 in ICO era. We'll have to check it out. So the dismissal does not fully conclude the SEC's case against Ripple. So they just released the founder, the CEO and the founders from this lawsuit, but still the case is going on. So that's the news. Let's move on. Atomic wallet freezes 2 million in suspicious deposit on exchanges. Atomic, okay. Well, the freeze resulted from a collaboration between Atomic Wallet, forensic companies, and centralized exchange following reports from users claiming unauthorized transaction from their wallet. Okay. Man, there are a lot of hacking going on. I guess Atomic Wallet is a hot wallet. So we only suggest hardware wallet, and if you want to try for yourself, you can check out the description. You can get good discounts. We have partnership with affiliate relationship with Trezor as well as Ledger. Both are good. I do use both of them myself. My entire team uses it, and works really fast, really good, and above all, the highest level of security. If you talk about storing your hard-earned tokens or your money in cold storage, check out the description, the link in the description. All right. So, hacked cryptocurrency wallet Atomic Wallet has frozen $2 million in suspicious deposit in a joint efforts with the major crypto exchanges. Announcing the news to Cointelegraph. By the way, shout out to Cointelegraph. I really like their platform and the way they deliver stories, deliver news. So So Atomic Wallet said that blockchain intelligence firm Chain Analysis and Crystal have assisted the wallet firm in identify and containing the thread. Citing reports from Chain Analysis and Crystal, Atomic Wallet responded that the threat actor used sophisticated methods to bridge the funds to the Bitcoin blockchain, including bridges and mixers. Okay, most funds have ultimately ended up on the Tron blockchain and Bitcoin network. Oh man, guys, like take care of your funds. You can't afford to put those funds in such wallets. I guess I'm not sure what kind of wallet Atomic Wallet is. I'm sure it is a hot wallet, like I guess MetaMask or some mobile applications. Check it out and be aware of about the wallet transaction and all the financial activities you do with your crypto. Do your own research and yeah. So European Central Bank moves to next phase of digital euro. So they are crazy about digital euro. They are working really fast in this area. So the governing council of the European Central Bank has recently announced it was moving into onto the next phase of the digital euro project, starting to lay the foundations for its possible issuance next month, although it has not yet made a definite decision on issuing it. Okay, so they are planning for CBDC, central bank digital currencies. Let's see what happens. There are a lot of privacy concerns, obviously, because with CBDC, government usually can track everything. Not good, but let's see. It's not full fledged yet, I guess. Lot of countries are nowadays working on CBDCs. Here in India also, like our finance ministry, I guess they are working on CBDC projects and collaboration with different blockchain companies. Let's see, but I don't like. I've heard of lot of. I have heard from lot from top crypto influencers and other people in the community that like it's not cool. CBDC won't be a good option. I can say USDT if it is 100% verified and you know the reserves balance, and like if it is transparent at in all area, and if it is that transparent, then I guess normal crypto stable coins should work best, like USDC and USDT. They are the big contenders. Okay, so like let's check out some of the technical charts, and total market cap is of crypto is 1.243 trillion dollars, and it is up a lot in last 7 days, obviously because of the dominance in Bitcoin. Let's check out the market cap of BTC, and you see we were at the resistance was at $625 billion, but now we have crossed the resistance and we are moving to charted territories. But let's see, it can go to 40, like just like that. I mean, price of Bitcoin. Let's check out the total 2. Total 2 means total total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Okay, apart from Bitcoin, you see these are the altcoin usually. So altcoin is also pumping, but not hard. not that hard. It pumped, then it is coming down. Let's check out the daily chart. Still can go to $550 billion as a support, 567 is acting as a good resistance here. I guess previously it was around $571 billion. You can see there over here. You can also check out the VPVR. You can get good understanding. So this is total 3. Total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. So it is now you can say the altcoin, the general altcoin market, because people don't consider Ethereum as an altcoin nowadays. So you see, I don't think alt season has started yet, but you can see people have made a lot of good profit over here, from $312 billion till $359 billion. So I don't think officially it is started. The alt season is started, but once we cross $360 billion with substantial amount of volume, then you can say the altcoin started. Will start, I guess. Anyway, so let's check out the Indian market, the S&P 500 Indian, like Sensex, the Bombay Dalal Street. Man, look at it. We are at 664,049. Man, it is dumping hard. What is wrong with Indian markets? I checked Bank Nifty was also dumping pretty hard. You see here? I guess we are about to hit this level. This one. It also crossed all the moving averages, major moving averages. Anyways, I'm not like generally. Let's check out the US market, US 30. So the stock market is down, right? Check out the S&P 500 US stock market. Okay, you see, pretty much all the international markets, and like they all mimic the S&P 500 major US index. So that, I mean, not too surprised, the Bank Nifty in Indian market and all the major markets are also down. There are a lot of speculation around recession, US debt cycle, and the kind of inflation the US is suffering from, and like lot of printing and inflation, especially the US debt cycle, not cycle, US the debt that the country has. I don't know. There is a particular chart, US debt cycle, you can check out. So not good. Let's check out some of the commodities. So gold is, let's see, gold is pumping hard, man. So safe haven. All right. And why not checking our beloved Ethereum is also pumping hard. It went to 1849. I was waiting for this level, 1925. Hopefully we'll reach there. Oh, by the way, this is October, like not October. It is October. Things are up. Shall I remind you this? For the week, for the month. Hex, what's wrong with Hex, man? Okay, well, I have never like bought Hex, but I admire its founder. He's a pretty smart guy. I don't recall Richard Hart. Yeah, Richard Hart, something like that. He's a very smart guy. So yeah, let's move on. Is there anything else you want me to check out? And technical chart. Have I checked Bitcoin? Okay, you can see Bitcoin is doing ballistically crazy, hitting all the previous records. I guess we are all-time high for the year. This is the all-time high, I guess. No? Yes. Yes, we are. So again, do your own research. Nothing is hard and fast in this crypto market and in this markets. And obviously, do your own research. For me, I'm a swing trader. I don't do trading a lot. I have a lot of other work to do. I mean, this is not my main job, but yes, I enjoy the markets. I've been in the market since 2016, and yeah, learned a lot, and still a lot to go. Right. Anyways, I'm looking for. I mean, everyone wants Bitcoin to go like 45,000 dollars. But like I said, we are the DCA guys. Dollar cost average. I believe in the power of dollar cost averaging. And it's been a lot of years. I've experimented with multiple variation in portfolios and everything, but some simple things works. DCA is pretty simple, but people don't like simple things. Just to you know gives them some kind of idea of sophistication. We don't need sophistication. Things should be pretty simple, smooth. Anyways, let's move on. So this is me. You can check out my Instagram. By the way, we were in Gydex Global in Dubai. Hopefully, we will be traveling and attending all kind of crypto events next year, when we'll be in Dubai for hopefully for full time. So yeah, you can hit me up on Instagram at iamsnup. Same on Twitter as iamsnup, and you can check out. You can hit me up on Instagram, Twitter, or any kind of social media one. And as always, do your own research. But the market is looking good, and there are always mixed opinions on different platforms, Twitter, recession, another pandemic, hopefully not, like all kind of FUD. But you have to take control of your own life, your own finances, everything, and just keep moving forward. That's all I can say right now. That's what I'm doing, is learning, growing a brand, working on my business, and whenever I have time, I make these kind of videos. So hopefully you like it, you'll appreciate my work. And I do write a newsletter, but not like full-fledged or every single day or something like that. But I'm planning to do a proper, well-researched, well-designed a report as a newsletter or something like that. But since it is the beginning, like for me, it is the beginning, so I'm looking for your support, like however and wherever, whatever you can do, and I would really appreciate it. And yeah, just hustling and working hard. That's what I'm doing right now. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and please like, comment, share this video, and let me know, hit me up and let me know what else I can do for you. Um, Here's the Twitter. This is sorry, X. This is Instagram, a part of X. So again, thanks a lot. Take care, and yeah, take care. Bye bye.